Greetings! Let's see how you can evaluate an exam. First, go to the Lab Exam menu. Now, choose Evaluate Exam. Here, you'll find the list of exams awaiting evaluation. From the list, click on Evaluate to evaluate the particular exam. Here, you can also use filters to view pending evaluations, evaluated exams, or pending submissions. There are two ways to evaluate. When evaluating individually, AI evaluation is available for HTML and Python. Review the AI feedback and marks, make edits if needed, and save. You can even click on View Code to check the submitted code. Click on AI Evaluate, and the system will automatically evaluate the code. After AI evaluation, you still have the option to edit the marks before saving. Don't forget to click Save after entering marks. Once all questions are evaluated, click Publish to publish the result for the student. A confirmation message will appear. Click Publish again to finalize the result. Do a group evaluation by clicking Evaluate All. This will evaluate all submitted student exams in one click. A confirmation message will appear. Click on Confirm and Save to proceed with Evaluate All. Note that visual coding projects cannot be evaluated using Evaluate All. For those, you need to click View Code and evaluate each student individually. Once evaluation is completed, don't forget to save. To publish the results, first select the checkbox Select All, then click Publish. A confirmation message will appear. Click Confirm to finalize.